Hi, this is Professor Corvolan, and I will be teaching this class this winter. This is a fully online class, and I will be teaching this during the winter, which is 3 weeks and a half. Usually, this class is 15 weeks, but in the winter, it's concentrated in 3 weeks and a half. So it's more work, but basically, it's the same structure. Um, the goal of this video is to show you how the class works. And if you have further questions, I suggest you to come to see me during my office hours or send me an email and we will arrange for a meeting to see how the class works. If you see here in the class in Blackboard, on the left you have all these folders here. I'm going to talk about all of them and then I will show you how to do the exercises. Here you have announcements, course information, weekly guide, the textbook that in this class is free, you don't have to pay for this. You also have information about the professor and you have resources about Blackboard and Spanish. If we go back to announcements, what you have here basically is a description of the class, what the class basically is intended to do. You also have the video, the same video you're seeing right now, you have it here in case that you want to see it again. And then in this case, you have here all the activities for the first week. As this is a concentrated class, what students do usually in 1 week, you're gonna do 4 of these in a week. I'm gonna show you this in a few minutes, but first let me go down here and show you what the class also includes. Okay, also you have here course information, and here you have a guide that basically is similar to what we have in the weekly guide. We have also the regular syllabus, and we have here the grading system for the class. In this class, the lab is going to be 10%. The videos, grammar and vocabulary, the readings is going to be 20%. Homework, including oral exercises, is going to be 30%. Quizzes, 20%. Quizzes, you're going to have 3 during the semester, but I will drop the lowest score, so you only will have 2 of them. But if you miss one of the quizzes, that will be the one I will drop. And also you have the final examination, which is 20% of the grade. Now, weekly activities, weekly guide here, you have basically, I will post them in announcements, as we go. So right now you have the first week, but when we go to the second week, I will move the activities for the second week to announcements, and I will do the same with the third and the final examination, okay? But anyway, if you want to take a look to see what is going to happen next week, you can come here and you will see basically what we have for the following weeks. As I said before, the textbook in this class is free. You have here all the material you need for the first examination, for the second and the third. In my presentations, in my videos, I also go over the grammar, but you also have it here in case that you wanna check in paper or in the computer. Also, you have here information about me, about the professor. That includes my telephone number at the NCC that I don't have access right now, but also you have my emails, so you can contact me just using the email right here. And also you have here, and this is very important, office hours. So I will be in Zoom on Mondays from 9 to 11. In case that you want to talk to me or ask me any questions, you just come on Mondays from 9 to 11, click here and I will be there in Zoom, okay? Let me just talk about the activities that you're supposed to do every week. So when you will have them here in announcements, okay? In announcements, basically you have all the activities that you do during the week. So you will have all these folders and all these sections here that you have to complete. A regular block, a regular section goes like this. You open right here, you have the description, then you have 2 videos here. One video is about the grammar, another videos are about the vocabulary and the readings. So when you open here the videos, you will have 2 videos that you watch here. In this case, you have 2 different topics. And also you have reviews, exercises that you can do to go over. These are not mandatory, but if you do it, you will probably help you to prepare for the test. And also you have other videos, links. These are from the internet that basically go over the same topics that I have in my class. Now, if we get back to the class, to the assignments that you have for each week, you will see that you watch the videos, and this is part of the class. The summary here, you have to basically do an exercise that basically summarizes what you learn in that particular section, okay? And also you have here the homework, okay? The homework includes basically, we have an extra credit right here. This is not mandatory, but if you do it, if you do 9 of this, you will, whatever you get in the class, if you get a B, it's going to be a B plus. If you get an A minus, it's going to be an A. So it's up to you, but you know, so maybe you want to consider to do these exercises. Also, you have the lab. The lab basically works like this. You open the lab, it's a voice thread exercise, and in this case in particular, you will have a topic here. You know, the instructions are right here. What you do is, if you're not familiar with VoiceThread, what you do basically is you click right here, and for the lab, I need you to do the video. Okay? So you have to tape a video. You click right here, and then you will tape yourself. So when you open right there, you will see that records your answers, and then you just have to submit, and then you save it, and then I check and I give you the grading for that. Okay. Now, when we get back to the class, if we get back to the class, we leave this exercise, you will see that you also have the discussion board. Okay, the discussion board is another assignment that you have to do every section, and basically it goes like this. You open every week. You have different assignments here. So you have to watch the video and then you have to answer the questions. If you're not familiar with the discussion board basically works like this. You open it right here and then you create your thread. When you create a thread, you're answering the questions. Your job, your assignment basically is to answer the questions, and also you have to read what other students did, and you have to answer at least to 2 of them. Okay. Now, the homework also includes exercises here. So you have to do exercises, the discussion board, the lab, and the extra credit if you want to get extra credit. The exercises basically are 3 voice threads, the same voice threads that you have for the lab. But in this case, when it's comprehension, when it's, for example, speaking, you will have to answer using the mic. When it's writing, you will have to use ABC. For example, if you do this voice thread in writing, in this case, it's the same activity we did before, but in this case, it goes by slides in this case. So you have to go slide by slide. See, please answer in Spanish. But in this case, as this is a writing exercise, what you do is you click here and you answer with ABC. This will allow you to type your answer right there, okay? So when you finish with this, you move to the next one, you move to the next one, and you complete the exercise, okay? Okay, let me just go back to the class. So every week you will have to do a comprehension, every block you will have to do a comprehension exercise, and a speaking exercise, and a writing exercise, okay? So those are the activities that you have for each block, okay? So you have to do the summary for the videos, and then you will have to do this homework. This includes these exercises, includes the participation in the discussion board, and the lab, which is mandatory for this level, okay? And the extra credit is optional. If you want to do it, you know, you will get extra credits, but you don't have to do it, okay? Now, as I said before, you have here the weekly activities. You have 3 groups here, and the final at the end. As we move in the class, I will move them to announcements, so you will be able to see them right there. As I said before also, you have here the textbook. In this case, you don't have to pay anything for this. You just open it and you will have all the material you need for the class right there, okay? Also, you have here information on the professor. My emails are right there. And also you have here my office hours, okay? As I said before, I will be in Zoom Mondays from 9 to 11. And the only thing you have to do is to click here and I will be there in Zoom. I hope you find this video useful, and if you need help, please remember send me an email, or just come to see me during my office hours and we can go over again the requirements for the class. See you in class and